These projects explored Newton's law of motion through an experiment involving a ball. So, first the ball rolls down a ramp, and then transition into free fall, and finally land another ramp to continue its motion. So each phase highlights the effects of gravity and forces on the ball's movement, helping us to understand how Newton's principles apply to real world scenarios.
The objective of this project is to demonstrate Newton's three laws of motion and the principles of kinetic and potential energy through a practical experiment. The experiment is divided into three phases. Observing inertia, we can see that Newton's first law as the ball begins to move, analyzing the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. The Newton's second law during the free fall and showcasing action-reaction forces, and the Newton's third law when the ball collides with dominoes. Additionally, the project highlights the conversion between kinetic and potential energy, offering a clear visualization of how forces and energy interact in real-life scenarios.
Our project is about a ball that initially represents the law of inertia, then it moves forward representing the second law, which has force and acceleration and mass. Afterward, it performs free fall, meaning it goes past in the tree and then falls. It continues rolling until it demonstrates action and reaction with the dominoes, where it collides, causing the dominoes to fall. So that is how it works.
As a conclusion, we can say that this experiment clearly demonstrates Newton's three laws of motion through the behavior of the ball and its interaction with the dice. The first law of motion, the law of inertia, can be observed as the ball remains at rest until acted upon by gravity. Once the ball starts rolling down the ramp, the second law, which links force to mass and acceleration, takes effect, showing how the ball accelerates based on the ramp's slope and its mass. Finally, the third law of motion, action and reaction, will be evident when the ball hits the dice, knocking them over. This experiment provides a practical visualization of how forces affect an object's movement and offers a real-world demonstration of Newton's fundamental laws in action.